What is vitamin D? What are the benefits? Vitamin D is sometimes called the sunshine vitamin because it's produced in your skin in response to sunlight. Despite its name, vitamin D is not a vitamin, but a prohormone, or precursor of a hormone. Your body produces vitamin D naturally when it's directly exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D has several important functions. Perhaps the most vital are regulating the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, and facilitating normal immune system function. Getting a sufficient amount of vitamin D is important for normal growth and development of bones and teeth, as well as improved resistance against certain diseases. If your body doesn't get enough vitamin D, you're at risk of developing bone abnormalities such as soft bones or fragile bones. Here are 3 more surprising benefits of vitamin D. 1. Vitamin D fights disease. Getting a sufficient amount of vitamin D is important for normal growth and development of bones and teeth, as well as improved resistance against certain diseases. 2. Vitamin D reduces depression. Research has shown that vitamin D might play an important role in regulating mood and warding off depression. In one study, scientists found that people with depression who received vitamin D supplements noticed an improvement in their symptoms. 3. Vitamin D boosts weight loss. Consider adding vitamin D supplements to your diet if you're trying to lose weight or prevent heart disease. Overweight people who took a daily vitamin D supplement improved their heart disease risk markers. Many factors can affect your ability to get sufficient amounts of vitamin D through the sun alone. These factors include 1. Skin type. Darker skin, for example, and sunscreen, reduce the body's ability to absorb the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Absorbing sunlight is essential for the skin to produce vitamin D. 2. Sunscreen. A sunscreen with a sun protection factor of 30 can reduce the body's ability to synthesize the vitamin by 95% or more. Covering the skin with clothing can also inhibit vitamin D production. 3. Geographical location. People who live in northern latitudes or areas of high pollution, work night shifts, or are homebound should aim to consume vitamin D from food sources whenever possible. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency may include regular sickness or infection, fatigue, bone and back pain, low mood, impaired wound healing, hair loss, muscle pain. Good sources of vitamin D. Oily fish, such as salmon, sardines, herring and mackerel. Red meat, liver, egg yolks. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin important for bone health. For those low in this nutrient, increasing intake may also reduce depression and improve strength. Your skin produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Foods like fatty fish, fish oil, and liver also contain vitamin D, as well as certain fortified foods and supplements. Deficiency is fairly common due to limited sunlight exposure and a small selection of rich dietary sources. If you don't spend much time in the sun and rarely eat fatty fish, consider supplementing. Getting enough vitamin D can go a long way to boosting your health. We would be very happy if you share your thoughts and suggestions about our video in the comments section. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. You can open the bell to be aware of our newly added videos. Stay healthy and happy.